Hey YouTube, it's iTalkApple, and today I'm going to show you how you can further customize iTunes, because a lot of people don't realize that you can do quite a bit of customization compared to what you can do on the rest of your Mac. So I'll open up iTunes. My volume's turned down so I don't run into copyright issues if I play a song. And so here's iTunes. Most of you guys are probably familiar with it. You have your library, which is separated into music, movies, TV shows, etc. You can access the iTunes Store and your playlists. At the top, your songs are categorized by either their name, the artist, album, genre, and so on. And you can change your view. Also, your Genius, if you're running iTunes 8, you'll have a Genius sidebar if you have it activated. So it gives you recommendations for songs and other songs by the artist. And yeah, that's the really basic interface overview. So to access the preferences, like on any other application on your Mac, you just go to Preferences, Command, Comma. And here you can change the name of your library, what you want to show under your library, and then a bunch of other options for playback, sharing, store, parental controls if you have an Apple TV, devices, and advanced options. And so that's really the basic stuff. Now I'm going to go over things that not everyone knows about, still a lot of people. If you go to View and then View Options, you can add columns such as the release date and the time. Click OK, and you'll see these have been added. So if I wanted to, I can sort things by their release date. One of my favorite features about iTunes is the iTunes Visualizer. So if I have a song playing, I can go to View, Show Visualizer, and it'll play a visualizer and have the album information on the bottom. Also, you can change the visualizer. It comes with iTunes Visualizer, iTunes Classic Visualizer, Lab, Jelly, and Sticks. So here's the latest addition to the iTunes Visualizers. But something that people don't do often is actually install their own visualizers. So there's plenty of other visualizers out there. You can Google them. Most of them are free. I'm going to show you one that's not free, but I just downloaded it for the sake of this video. It's called Disco Brick. And if I go here, well, here's one of the many visualizers Disco Brick comes with. If I go to View, Visualizer, and Options, I can actually select any one of these visualizers. Like this one, for example. It is a demo, so it says demo over it. So that's the first way that you can customize iTunes, by downloading other visualizers. Another thing you can do is actually download add-ons. There's add-ons for your menu bar, for your dashboard, and then there's actual applications. So I'm going to show you an application that's an add-on for iTunes called Cover Sutra. It's a great application. It does cost money, €14.95, I believe. I haven't purchased it, but I think I might in the future because it's a great application. So when you have a song playing, it'll display the album artwork in your dock and on your desktop, which is really nice, in a kind of a jewel case thing. And my favorite feature is that at the top here, it's got a menu bar add-on, and I like to think of it as Spotlight for iTunes. So let's say I look up Beatles. I have a bunch of Beatles songs, and it actually categorizes them for each album, shows the album artwork, and then the songs that I have from that album. So I think it's a really nice way to find your songs. It's nice because if you have iTunes hidden, you can save space on your desktop, and if you actually click on the icon in your dock, you'll bring up this little controls panel, and you can skip through your songs, play them, pause them, volume, and you can also rate them and access the Cover Sutra preferences. It has last.fm support. You can change the way the album cover looks. shortcuts. So it's really nice. It's a nice application. It blends in well with Mac OS 10, and it's definitely worth downloading the demo. Final thing I'm going to show you in this video is probably something that not many people out there know about, and that is iTunes theming. So you can actually customize the way that iTunes looks a lot. If you go to macthemes2.net/forum, which I'll have a link to in the description, you can actually go to modifications and hybrids, and anytime that something says iTunes or iTunes theme in these parentheses, so here, updated for iTunes 8.1, you can download it. I have two themes open here that I'm going to show you, but before that I'm going to show you a couple other websites. First one is deviantart.com, and if you go under customization and skins and themes, media players, and then scroll down to iTunes, I can't find it somewhere. Yeah. Okay, so here there's themes for iTunes. The problem is that most of them are for iTunes 7. So if you do have iTunes 8, make sure that you download a theme for iTunes 8, because otherwise it's not going to work. So if you are still running iTunes 7, you're lucky because there's way more themes for iTunes 7. Another website is GUIstyles.com. I'll give a link to this as well. So they have the iTunes skins. Again, mostly iTunes 7. However, if you go to the top and click iTunes, you can sort it like iTunes 8 skins. So these are all the iTunes 8 skins I have, not too many. So yeah. So to download a theme, just find whatever theme you like, click download. So while this is downloading, I'll show you basically what you have to do. First thing, quit iTunes, because otherwise it's not going to work. Next, make a new folder on your desktop. Just like right click and click new folder and name it iTunes Backup. Or you can put it on an external hard drive if you want, but this is just in case something was to go wrong. And then find the iTunes application and copy that and paste it into your backup folder. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to show you how you can actually install the theme. A lot of themes will come with readmes which give you specific directions for how you install it, but you basically install each one the same way. They'll give you an iTunes.rsrc file in the download along with an iTunes alias folder. All you have to do is drag the .rsrc file into the alias folder and click replace when prompted, and that's it. So now if I open up iTunes, you'll notice that my theme is different. Scroll bars, the color, the way these little checkboxes are, and I really like theming iTunes. It's another great way to customize your Mac, and yeah, there's a lot of nice themes out there. I'll have all the websites you can go to in the description, and yeah, so that's it for this video. But before I end completely, I just want to give you a quick update on how the giveaway is going. Quick giveaway update. I'll have the link to my giveaway video in the description. I'm giving away 6 applications worth over $500 combined. So, yeah. So for iStop Motion, I have 44 people in the giveaway. Pult Motion has 10. Rapid Weaver has 11. Little Snapper has 4. Banner Zest has 9. And Photo Presenter has 2. I did it where you have to leave a comment for the application you want and then a dash your comment, because then you'll have a much bigger chance of winning. If I was just to pick from my subscribers list, you have what, 6 chances out of 2,600 and something. So this is definitely a better way to do it, and if I were you, I'd get in on it. So click on the link to my video and comment with the application you want. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope I didn't bore you.